I believe the big thing which is happening now is the world needs to transition from being a paper-based organization to an electronic organization. It is happening in bits and pieces, but there are still problems. The key challenge today is when it comes to field data. And field data today continues to remain what I call a pen and paper based structure. Whether we talk about market research, whether we talk about medical representatives, whether we talk about logistics, agents, anybody who's out in the field, typically you'll see him end of the day sitting down, filling up pages and pages of reports, of papers, and then pushing them to the head office. That's a challenge. It's a challenge for multiple reasons. One, from an end user perspective, it gives them the opportunity to manipulate data. So the ability to trust that data becomes lower. Two, from a translation point of view, there is a big issue of being able to translate what somebody in the field has said to something which gets translated to head office. Three, the time, effort and cost required to do all of that is humongous. It's a waste of resources, it's a waste of manpower, it's a waste of computers, and it's a waste of energy. Four, and the most critical thing is during this entire process, there is a loss of quality. During every transmission where from point A to point B there is a movement of data, there is a chance that quality deteriorates. It's like the Chinese whisper. Somebody says something and by the time it comes to the last person, you hear something completely different. If a company needs to make a decision based on field, based on what is happening on the ground, what is ground reality, and if ground reality is getting distorted or coming too late, the chances are you'll make a decision which is not going to help at all. The purpose of using DATab as a platform is to remove the issues related to quality, issues related to time, issues related to cost. And all these three are going to be taken care of in one shot simply by having an application or a platform which is available with an end user, which transmits data instantaneously from the field to a centralized location for decision making. Datawise as an organization has always been into analytics, and that has been one of our core strengths. And there have been many instances when people used to come to us and say, can you do this for us? And typically when they say, can you do this for us, it starts by us needing to go onto the field, set a questionnaire and collect information. And we've been doing it. And if you look at any of these requirements, a client would typically come back and say, hey, not only do we need the information, we also need validation that the information that you have collected is available. And we kept doing that. So how do you do that? The traditional way of doing that was you go, do your research work on the ground, fill up the questionnaires, somebody comes up, fills it all up, numbers it, codes it, and then keep stacks of papers ready for a client to come back and say, I will verify. And the client has a right to verify at random or whichever way they want to verify to say, is the data authenticated? And when we did all of this, we realized that we were wasting a lot of paper, a lot of time and effort, and said, is there not a better, smarter way of doing it? Had it been 5 years ago, I don't think we would have been in a position to be able to talk about any of this. Fortunately for us today, with the advent of tablets and with the availability of 3G, it becomes so much easier to be able to collect data directly from the field, put it onto a system. Okay? From a client perspective, audit trials are there, validations are there, accuracy is there. What more can you ask for? And that's what has got us to conceptualize DATab. It was a painful journey. It was a painful journey. From the time that we conceptualized to the time that the product was ready for market, it took us 2 good years. Okay? And 2 good years of effort from people who are technology based, from people who understand the market, from industry experts who all came in with their inputs, and from people who could create architecture for us. And all of us have put in our heads together to be able to create this unique product called DATab. And each one has contributed in their own ways, different parts coming in for different pieces. If I need to say, we had a choice to make. what kind of technology do we want to go for? Okay, and we took a bet. We took a bet to say that Android is going to be the platform of the future. Okay, could we have chosen Windows? Of course we could have, or we could have chosen iOS, which we could have. But we betted on the fact that Android is no cost, so you're actually not talking about licensing, and it is universally available. Fortunately for us, the bet has paid off, because if you look at the mobile phones today in the world, 70% of the phones today are Android based. So are we positioned right? Yes, we got positioned right. The second one was to say, what kind of a platform do we want to create? Do we want to create a platform which is completely seamlessly available at any point of time? And we realized that all, for example, cloud-based technologies increase the cost simply because they provide 24/7, 365 days in a year connectivity. That is not required for a field person. Imagine somebody who's in the field, does he need to be connected at every point of time? They don't. So if it's possible for me to go ahead and give them bursts of connectivity, perhaps once in a few hours, perhaps once in a day, that is good enough. Which is why we came out with a platform which permits for transmission at the willingness of the end user at specific times. At the same time, from a centralized server, we are able to push data or new platforms or new questionnaires or new instruments out to the end user as and when we want. And that's a unique platform that we've been able to create. It has taken a lot of effort in conceptualizing, it has taken a lot of effort in creating this. It has gone through multiple iterations, and today we have validated it by using it across multiple customers. World Bank has used our software, World Bank has used the platform, they come back and said, wonderful, we never expected better results. I can keep quoting on and on, but we have gone ahead and validated this platform across multiple users. For us, DATAB is visionary. Is visionary not for ourselves, for the way we conceptualize, we visualize it to change the way people do business. We'll be very pleased if we can get to a stage where the world says DATAB is the platform of choice when we want to go ahead and connect from off-field locations. And I think that is where we are positioned. To make that happen, we are very aware that there will be many people who will be looking at getting onto similar platforms, similar bandwagon. The more people want to get onto DATAB or something similar to bandwagon, the more happy we will be. We consider ourselves as the pioneers in this field. We consider DATAB to be the first product out there which can do multiple functions. We are very confident that we will do well, but we are also equally sure that there will be others who will try to follow us. So from a vision point of view, we will definitely keep moving from one stage to the next to the next.
Sam is excited about his new job as a data scientist with a research company. He needs data, and for that, he has to go to people, seek information, write down responses in the register, come back to office, and then manually enter the data in the computer, which is laborious, time-consuming, and also prone to errors. Sam starts thinking, what if there could be